came at the perfect time. Like wild. Okay, I'll show you wild. This is my wild hot pink truck. And this is what I built for the under 1,000 group build. Hosted by Joe at Big Sky Model Workshop. I picked hot pink because nobody does hot pink for a truck. And I thought it would be really cool to do a hot pink truck. I did the clear coat to make the hot pink be shinier. Blue matched hot pink, but the hot pink didn't really go so hot pink. It like red, oranges. I named it Mira because Mira has pink hair, and the reason I did my roomie costume is because Mira is one of our friends. I masked this so I could paint the blue. And I did my steering wheel is silver, and my blue dog thing, it has silver little things. You might not be able to see it. So my grandpa put it in the model call show. It is I had a dance show. I couldn't go, and I got first place on it. Just wanted to show you guys how it's done.